Back again, Finish. This time with the Powerball Classic. And we got some nasty stuff we're going to try out. It is all crusty. Been sitting out all night, all morning, nearly 12 to 18 hours. Some of this stuff is disgusting. But we're not going to rinse any of it. We're shoving it in there. Finish Classic. Oh, the Finish from Finish. All right, let's take a look here. Ooh, just like the Classic, we are getting answers from Finish. Ooh, everything clean. No hard rice, no hard chicken, no hard beef. Too far, too far. Good job, Finish. Classic Powerball.